Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will find correlation between two variables by using EViews. Before we jump into EViews, let's quickly revise what correlation is and why it is important. Correlation measures the strength and direction of a relationship between two variables. It's a powerful tool for detecting pattern in your dataset. Its value ranges between 0 and 1 and may be positive or negative. It also shows the strength of relationship between two variables. So let's get started. The first step in any analysis is importing your data into EViews. We need to go to File, Open, Foreign Data as Work File. Find the location of your file where you have saved it. As I saved my data into the desktop, so you can see that your data is imported into EViews. So now you can see that we have extracted the data in the EViews. To find out the correlation, the first step is you need to select all your variables. Then go to Quick, then Group Statistics, click on Correlation, then click on OK. So this is the output of correlation for our variables. As we have four variables, ER, GDP, INF and IR. So you can see that in our work file, the EViews has calculated the value of correlation between our selected variables. The correlation values ranges between 0 to 1. Each variable have 100% relationship with itself. Like ER and ER has 100% relationship, so its value is equal to 1. Same goes with the GDP. GDP have 100% correlation with each other. INF also have 100% correlation. So IR also have one correlation. So for other variables, one more thing is that this value may be positive or negative. If we have negative sign with any value, it means that there is a negative relationship between this variable and the other variable. If there is no sign, then it means that the variables are positively correlated with each other. So first we discuss about the relationship between GDP and ER. So the relationship between GDP and ER is positive. So here the value is 0.957431. So it means that, which is close to 1, so it means that there is a strong positive relationship between GDP and ER. The positive relation shows that increase in the value of one variable leads to increase in the value of other variable. So our next variable is INF, inflation, and ER. So here the correlation between inflation and ER is positive but weakly positive because the value is 0.281701. So this is less than 50%, so this is weakly positively correlated. So the next variable is IR. IR and exchange rate have negative correlation with each other, so it means that increase in the value of one variable leads to decrease in the value of other variable. So here we have the value of correlation between IR and ER, which is equal to minus 0.275384. So next we determine the value of correlation between GDP and INF. The value of GDP and INF is equal to 0.321968. The sign is positive, so it means that both of these variables are positively correlated with each other. The relationship is weak because it is less than 0.5. So next we have the correlation between IR and GDP, which is equal to minus 0.422381. So it means that there is a negative relationship between IR and GDP. This is also weak because this is less than 0.5. So next, the correlation between INF and IR is minus 0.142470. It means that both of these variables are negatively correlated. So like this way you can find the correlation for your dataset. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.